Welcome to e-hallpass. This video is for teachers, administrators, and staff. It will review how to update your profile and how administrators and staff personnel should associate themselves with the location in which they work in the building. On the top left corner of the e-hallpass screen, right below your name, is the My Profile option. When you click, your profile options will open. The first thing that teachers, administrators, and staff will have the ability to choose is a profile picture. Below the picture template is the Choose File option, where you will be able to choose a file to upload into the system. Please refer to internal instructions as to what the expectations are for your school. As we continue down the profile settings, the next option is to choose a title. You can select the title that students use to address you from the drop-down box. Next, your first name and last name will default to the user account that has already been set up for you. Likewise, because your user account has already been set up, you will not see the new password field. Next, you have the option to choose whether or not you would like students to create passes to or from you. This always defaults to yes. If you were to choose no, then students would not be able to find you within the e-hallpass system. Finally, you can set up your custom PIN. The guidelines are below. Your PIN is unique to you, and if you happen to choose a PIN that someone else already has, you will be prompted to change it. If you ever need to change your PIN, you can do that at any point in time by simply going back into your profile settings and changing your PIN. Once you are satisfied with the information you've entered, you can click Save Profile at the bottom. You will get a Profile Updated Successfully message in green at the top of the screen. So far, we've been updating profile settings within a teacher account. Now, we are going to go look at a profile settings for staff and administrators. Now we're in the system with a staff user account. If we were in the system with an administrator account, you would have the same options that are being shown now. Staff and administrators may work in specific locations within the school. When students set up their pass, they may choose to go to a location such as the library, guidance office, nurse, places like that. You may want multiple people that work in those locations to see all the passes coming in to a certain location. To associate yourself with a location, look on the right-hand side of the profile settings. Staff members and administrators should select and add the locations in which they work. You simply choose your location from a pre-built list in the drop-down box. If you work in more than one location, select More Locations option to add multiple locations. If you need to remove a location, you can simply click the minus sign on the right-hand side. There is another feature called the Student Check-in PIN. If that is something your location chooses to use, you would set that up and coordinate with those in that location. You can see more information about student check-in pins by watching the student check-in pin video. Please be sure, as administrators and staff personnel, to associate yourself with locations in which you work, so you can see any passes coming in or leaving those locations. Teachers do not associate themselves with a location because when a student makes a pass to a teacher, the student would simply just choose the teacher's name. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you.